What's up, YouTube? Spending the day out at the junkyard today. Found this old Maverick. I'm gonna grab the alternator and some pulleys off of this for the Falcon. 4-bolt, you know, it's a nice 6, but you never have enough pulleys. Along with that, I found a pretty sweet old van, old Chevy with a roof rack and rear ladder section that I'm probably gonna grab, but keep grabbing more clips as I dig further along this place. Sturdivant Auto Salvage today out in I don't even know, Sturdivant, Wisconsin, I would assume. Alright. There's the Ford that I came up here for. Gutted, no motor. Super torn up. Cyclone GT. Hacked apart, but all the way in the back corner, so this one's been here a while. Not too much on the inside left. Pretty much everything's taken out of this. But these motor mounts are what I need for the Falcon. So luckily, motor's already out and the mounts are readily available and right there. This one's also got disc brake spindles that I'm gonna try and grab, but I'm not sure how well that's gonna go yet. So if I gotta come back, I know it's here, tucked way back in the corner. So we'll see what happens and try and see what else I need to grab off of this thing. Yeah, well, that was a huge pain in the ass, but I got the motor mounts out. I was looking at this. It's also got the throttle cable for a V8, so I grabbed that, as well as the pedal assembly. I got a pedal in there. I don't know if I'm going to need that part, but I did need the V8 throttle, so that worked out. I've been looking over these spindles. This should work. I'm gonna come back up here later with some more cutting tools. I didn't really bring a lot for that, but just yank out the spindles on this. I gotta check base up front and see if they're good with pulling things like that. It's also got the V8 cross member, I believe, so I'm gonna try and reach underneath there and steal that if I can get to it. We'll see though, because I know I got a couple of those at home.